आदाब नाज़रीन, ज़ेड न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम है। SKC गवर्नमेंट डिग्री कॉलेज पुंछ की कॉलिन कौर ने आलमी योम अर्ज़ के मौके पर मुनक्कदा एक बैनुल-अक़वामी वेब कॉन्फ्रेंस में कॉलेज का नाम रोशन किया। आगे देखिए हमारे नुमाइंदा जहांगीर अहमद की ये रिपोर्ट।
I'm BSc first semester student from Degree College Punch. From yesterday we are attending an international web conference and today I get a chance to participate in it, and I got second position for my college. I really want to thank to my parents, my teachers, especially I want to thank to Dr. Rani Mughal, who just believe in me, having faith, and I really want to thank her for her faith and belief. Thank you, ma'am, because she teach me, she guide me in a great way. She want to tell everyone that you should connect yourself with nature and be positive, make your parents proud, be a hard person in your life, then definitely you will achieve what you want in your life. Thank you so much.
Okay.